Now that the Rio Games are over, spare a thought for these athletes whose bodies were broken along with their dreams of gold. Here are the 8 athletes who suffered painful injuries at the Rio Olympics. Number 8. Speeding fall. Australian cyclist Melissa Hoskin crashed during a training session inside the Rio Olympic Velodrome. Hoskins was in visible agony with a hip injury and was stretchered off by medical staff. An Australian Olympic Committee spokesperson confirmed the crash took out 4 of the 5-strong team pursuit squad, with only Annette Edmondson staying upright. The 3 other riders, Ashley Ankunov, Georgia Baker, and Amy Cure, to hit the boards suffered grazes, while the 25-year-old Hoskins was taken to hospital as a precaution. Number 7. Dislocated shoulder. Aussie javelin thrower Kim Mickle's Olympics have ended in disaster after she suffered a sickening injury during her final throw of the Games. She dislocated her right shoulder on her 3rd and final attempt in qualifying round. Medics were slow to respond because of hurdles raised on the track. That's why she was left wandering around the field calling out for help. Doctors at the stadium couldn't manipulate the joint back into place, so she had to go to hospital and go under anesthetic to fix the injury. But despite the outcome, Mickle said it was worth it. Number 6. Downhill fall. Italian cyclist Vincenzo Nibali blood-soaks the injury list with his double fractured collarbone. During his final descent in the August 7, 2016 cycling round, Nibali suddenly lost balance and slipped out on a corner alongside fellow cyclist Sergio Henao. He was rushed back home to undergo surgery in Italy to have plates inserted in his collarbone. Number 5. Dislocate elbow. Australian wrestler Talgat Ilyasov's long-awaited Olympic debut has come to an abrupt end after he suffered a horrific injury in his first bout in Rio. The 35-year-old was forced to retire with a dislocated elbow against Japan's Suzuki Takatani in the 74 kg of the men's freestyle competition. Ilyasov, who was picked to go to the 2004 Athens Games only to be ruled out with a spinal injury, was in obvious distress on the mat before his arm was strapped and he was assisted off. Number 4. Knee injury. During the qualification round of the team competition, Germany suffered a big blow when Andreas Toba appeared to suffer a serious knee injury on a landing during the floor routine. Toba tried to do a front flip with 2 twists, and when he landed, his right knee buckled and he immediately fell to the floor. He grabbed his right knee and almost immediately signaled for help. Toba broke down in tears soon after he injured his right knee. Even though many thought that Toba was done, he decided to fight through the pain for his team, which was right on the bubble of making the finals of the men's gymnastics team competition. Toba successfully completed the pommel horse, an arm-based routine which gave his team a spot to move on. Number 3. Neck break. 17-year-old Ellie Downey suffered neck break during the qualifying round of artistic gymnastics at the 2016 Olympics in Rio. While somersaulting, she failed to get her body all the way around and landed on the mat directly on her head and neck. She immediately got onto her feet to finish her routine, but stepped off during her final tumble. Later, Downey managed to get back in the competition on time to help both her team, Great Britain, into the finals. Number 2. Elbow snap. Armenian weightlifter Adranik Karapetyan suffered a shocking dislocated elbow during the men's 77 kg weightlifting final that ended his genuine hopes of winning a first Olympic medal. When he attempted to lift 195 kg in the clean and jerk competition, he suffered a horrifying extended elbow that caused his arm to bend the wrong way and crumble under the weight of the bar. The sickening injury left him screaming in pain, with medics and trainers rushing to his aid before he walked off the stage cradling his injured arm and immediately going to hospital. His Armenian teammates and the coaching staff all appeared very shaken up by the incident. Number 1. Nasty leg break. And probably the worst injury of the Rio Olympics, French gymnast Samir Ait Said broke his leg on a vault landing. The 26-year-old snapped the lower part of his left leg, landing badly from the vault in the men's qualifying. To make matters worse, Said was then dropped by paramedics as they tried to load him in the ambulance. This is not the first time an injury has dashed Said's Olympic dreams. The gymnast was forced to pull out of the 2012 Games because he fractured his leg in 3 places during the European Championships. Hope you enjoyed that video, and thanks for watching. Here are some videos you might like. Don't forget to subscribe.